Hey guys, I got a 2001 Chevrolet Silverado on the rack, and it's getting a bumper replacement. So if you guys are doing it at home, let's see here. It's got a pair of captured bolts or captured studs, one above the other one, and they are 18 millimeter. The one over here towards the front of the truck is one bolt and a nut, and I believe the bolt is a 15 millimeter and the nut is a 17 millimeter. Let me double check. Yeah, the nut's a 17 millimeter. And the bottom bolt of the frame rail is a 21 millimeter. So you got a 18, an 18, a 15 and a 17, and the lower one's a 21. And unplug your bumper harness right here. And then it's pretty much ready to go, ready to come off. This one was in a dire need of replacement. So, shouldn't take that long. Later.